More news coming in. Uddhav Thackeray goes all guns blazing against Mahayuti. Thackeray has attacked Home Minister Amit Shah and the Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis counters Shah's Aurangzeb fan club jibe, calls Home Minister Shah Ahmed Shah Abdali's political heir. Uddhav Thackeray's power jihad barb at the BJP.
अहमद शाह अब्दालीचा राजकीय वंशज अमित शहा अहमद शाह अब्दाली तो पण शाहच होता, तो अहमद शाह होता, हे अमित शाह आहेत. अहमद शाह अब्दालीचा हा राजकीय वंशज हा इकडे वळवळायला आला होता. आम्हाला हिंदुत्व शिकवतोय. अरे नवाज शरीफचा केक खाणारी अवलाद तुमच्याकडनं आम्ही हिंदुत्व शिकायचं. एक तर तू राहशील किंवा मी राहीन. आणि इकडे मला माहित नाही, माझ्या पायाशी एक कलिंगड ठेवले. काही जणांना वाटलं मी त्यांना आव्हान दिलं. मी म्हणजे कोण आणि तू म्हणजे कोण हे समजून घेतलं पाहिजे. मी म्हणजे माझा संस्कारित महाराष्ट्र आणि तू म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रावरती दरोडे टाकणारा दरोडेखोरांचा टोळक्यांचा पक्ष जो आहे तो अख्खा पक्ष. देखणाला कधी आव्हान नाही देत. देखणा अशी अंगठ्याने चिरडायची असतात. त्याच्यामुळे कोणाला तरी वाटलं की त्यालाच बोललोय. मग त्यांनी सांगितलं माझ्या नादाला लागू नका रे. तुझ्या नादाला लागण्या एवढ्या कुवतीचा तू नाहीच आहेस.
All right, so Uddhav Thackeray, they're going all guns blazing against Mahayuti, attacking the Home Minister and the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister. I'm going to go straight across to Omkar Wable for more details on that story. Omkar, just put this into perspective. What really happened here? Because Thackeray has used some very strong words against Home Minister Amit Shah.
Well, Sneha, we can say political heat is rising up in Maharashtra before assembly polls, because when Amit Shah came to Pune, he called Sharad Pawar as a kingpin of corruption. Also, he alleged Uddhav Thackeray and called him he's a part of Aurangzeb fan club. So it was Uddhav Thackeray's turn to retaliate him, and that's how he retaliated. Because while addressing his cadre in Pune, Uddhav Thackeray called Amit Shah as in Ahmed Shah Abdali, because the Abdali, the way Ahmed Shah Abdali attacked Marathas in Panipat, the way he attacked on the Hindustan, that is how BJP's modus operandi is, and that's how BJP and Amit Shah is trying to trap.
All right, we'll connect with Omkar in a moment from now. Listen in to what Uddhav Thackeray essentially said. These were comments that were made by Uddhav Thackeray against Amit Shah, going all guns blazing against Mahayuti, attacking the Home Minister, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Uddhav countered the jibe from Amit Shah, who called them Aurangzeb fan club, calling the Home Minister Ahmed Shah Abdali's political heir. Uddhav Thackeray's power jihad barb at the BJP here. Omkar is back with us. Omkar was talking to us about these comments that have been made. Omkar, we lost you briefly. Do continue.
As I said, Sneha, political heat is rising up in Maharashtra before assembly polls, because when Amit Shah was here, he was addressing the BJP rally in Pune. He called
Uddhav Thackeray as a fan club of Aurangzeb, while calling and highlighting Hindutva and the pattern of Hindutva